Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Gajala Konrad Kongol Sangma habaya keren berkilat pathai khubor mentakasngi ke sipau tarik unaitung arajar arpusau hadin gajing yalang jangka kinhon menteri ula pentip bana kaliang ke Sorkar kalayale kat bala ban penbej bat penmi yaki kam ke balaj hakitana Treikam Sorkar bapher bat ru gajing penkeu kerdan bala pen Treikam ru yaki kindon SOP Naka benta ban penlong yaki examen thungkam ba penbena yaki result bat hadu kur kom penbena pat ba yaki kam ki balaj khnang ban la ban pendep hakaru kom ka bakloi konrad ula pentip ru ba an sabatha yaki tanat Treikam bagin ai ka Jingtip ha ka bede bat ki kam ki balaj ha ka por ka ba Biang bat ka office Treikam jong ka MPSC DSC bat ki department selection committee ru ki nyele ban pendap kloi yaki kam ki balaj ha ka por ka ba Biang ha ka bede ba ka jing penkeu kerdan ka liang konrad Ula ong bakaladon gajing penbej, kanang bakanam don gajing slam bat penkeu kerdan yaki breu, da ka ba Treikam yaki rukom ka badai, panle kanang ba kanam long gajing penkeu kerdan yo breu haswani hadin gajing shong tan.
If these rates all fall into place, there should be quite a large premium that the government will be able to earn back from the long-term lease of these particular land plots. The fourth and fifth decision are similar, which again is very, very crucial. So I'd like to share this with you. Basically, as you're aware that we have been working very hard for streamlining the entire personnel department and the process of recruitment and the process of promotion. So therefore, today in the cabinet, we have come out with standard operating procedures for conducting exams, declaring results and advertisements and intimation of vacancies to be done so that the recruitment process is done in a much faster manner. So all the different departments will be asked now to ensure that the vacancies that are there should be intimated within a specific period of time. The MPSC, the DSC or the department selection committees that are there, they will be given a specific time to fill up those vacancies, and obviously the procedures to conduct the examinations have been again narrowed down in some sense, where we have made it much easier and smoother. Declaration results also will be done in a specific manner. So all of these things, the procedures, standard operating procedures for time-bound recruitment has been finalized by the cabinet today. Similarly, for the department promotion committees also, we have put a timeline and a time frame under which the promotions should be done. Most of the time we see the departments start the process of promotion once the person retires, and then the person who's supposed to come into their place miss out 3, 4, 5 months of their promotion because the process was started a bit late. So in order to ensure that timely promotions are given to people who are obviously eligible and who are supposed to get those promotions, we have figured out a process and a standard operating procedure where departments have been asked to do this entire exercise every 6 months, and different processes to be completed way before the person retires, so that when the person does retire, the promotion and the promotee is ready to take the space, so that there is no gap between the retirement of an individual and the promotee to take their space. So both in terms of recruitment as well as in terms of promotion, standard operating procedures have been passed today by the cabinet to be now implemented by the different HODs as well as the different recruitment agencies.